One of the concepts behind the house was to not follow the local vernacular, but to create something that really responded to the context of the landscape. To do that, we really were interrogating how the rocks and the mountains and the valleys kind of connect to one another. The middle part of the house is a huge glass pavilion with deep eaves and a huge overhang. And the purpose of this was to balance the extremely hot summers, but also allow for sun penetration into the building over the cooler winters. There's this ever-present gravity of Te Matapi, and as you move through the house, you orbit the mountain. An experience where you can look down and across the valley, but also feel connected to the hills behind. The house is particularly cinematic. As you transition through the corridor, it opens into pools of light, similar to a medieval cloister. We wanted to use a material that had a real sense of mass, and we selected this charcoal V-block, which has an aggregate source from the rivers of the South Island. And it has this kind of sensuality to it as it moves through the day in shade and sun. The fireplaces at each end of the main living pavilion are essentially the structure of the entire house. They are resisting all of the earthquake loads, and they provide bracing, which is supplemented by the rhythm of the steel columns. For me, this project really connects with the landscape and connects with the brief, but has something else, something to do with volume, mass, sensuality, space, and brings all of that together into a unique and remarkable home.